Well, they met in line at the checkout stand, both unaware of what the gods had planned. She was lost in her cosmos, reading about the stars. He was reading about two-headed babies from Mars. When she reached for a Snickers, she dropped her keys, and so began one of life's mysteries. He was a little old-fashioned and a little oversexed. He picked them up, never guessing what would happen next. Then she smiled and said, "I like your tie." Yes, she smiled and told him that little white lie, and his soul lit up like the 4th of July when she smiled. They made it to Starbucks just before it closed. He pointed to the jar and said, "You want one of those?" So over biscotti and double decafs, they shared their stories and they had some laughs. He got up his courage, asked her back to his place. Then he held his breath as he studied her face. She just sat and she stared and she said nothing at all. He knew he blew it and he waited for the axe to fall. Then she smiled and he knew he hadn't been wrong. Yes, she smiled and said, "What took you so long?" And the world felt good like a rock and roll song when she smiled. When she smiled, I forget my lines. When she smiled, man, I'm on cloud nine. When she smiled, oh, it's time out of mind. When she smiled. Then she smiled and said, "Where you been all my life?" And she smiled when he asked her to be his wife. And the future had never looked so bright. And she smiled. I'm just digging her, digging me, digging her. I'm just